Let's create silhouette using this photo. First of all, unlock your image layer, then go to select, click on subject to automatically select your image subject in just few seconds. Now click on this mask icon, and now we have to add a white background. So click on this icon, solid color, and select white color, and put this background under this subject layer, and then add a new layer. Make sure to select the layer and then press Ctrl and click on this mask icon. After that, select the pen bucket tool and foreground color, select black, and now click inside the selection, and to deselect this selection, press Ctrl D, and now here you have the silhouette. Now go ahead and save it.